Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer Apple Pay to your Cash App. So let's get started. First things first, open up your Apple Pay. After you open it up, just choose your card. So after you choose your card, what you'll need to do is you'll need to unlink the bank that you're currently linked to. And after you do that, you'll need to add your Cash App's bank. Now to do that, just go to your card and tap on card details. Now right there, you'll need to remove your bank. You can just go to your bank account and remove it and just go to add bank account. And here you'll need to type in the details of your Cash App. And after you do so, your Cash App bank will be added to your bank account. And after you do that, just go to transfer your bank. First go to your card again and tap to transfer to bank. Now after you do that, just select the amount that you want to transfer. And after you select the amount, just go through the verification, and after you do so, your Apple Pay will get transferred to your Cash App. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you transfer Apple Pay to Cash App. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.